Guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have another Willys CJ3B completely restored and ready for delivery for our customer. So you can just have a look at the vehicle. The vehicle is in extremely in good condition and we have restored it. So when coming to the look of the vehicle is completely repainted to a SandStorm color, and you can just check out the Willys logo in this. So you can just check out the body line of the vehicle. It's in extremely in very much good condition at the moment. So completely restored and repaint job has been done, and you can just have a look at the vehicle. The front we have added LED lights, and power steering has been fitted on this vehicle, and we have converted this vehicle to a disc brake front. Front is completely a 4x4 disc brake, and 235, 75, 15 tires, the original tires have been installed on this vehicle. So you can just check out the body line. Extremely in very much good condition, and this is the diesel version CJ3B. The vehicle is coming with 4+1 gearbox, 4-wheel drive, and we also have vintage kind of look, mirrors, army lights installed in this. Headlights are totally a brand new LED lights. So you can just have a look at the vehicle, the body line, and under chassis is also been painted. Anti-rust painting is done on this. So you can just have a look of the vehicle. Complete restoration. The vehicle is running with the Peugeot engine itself. So this is the interiors of the vehicle. Basic interiors, only basic modification kind of a look, and we have added a roll cage in this. So you can just check out the back look of the vehicle. Original kind of finish given on this vehicle. So any kinds of modification or any kinds of restoration of this kind of Jeeps, Thar, Gypsies, Boleros or Gurkhas can contact us on our WhatsApp number. Our workshop name is JeepZone Bangalore. We are based in Pina. So please like and subscribe our channel, and stay tuned and watch more and more videos coming from our channel. And our WhatsApp number is 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore. Thank you for having us and giving us a best compliments and also good subscribers we have at the moment. So please like and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned and watch more and more videos coming from our channel. Thank you.